everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English podcast, where learning English is easy, friendly, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jack. Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone listening from around the world. We hope you're having a great day.
Today's lesson is super helpful and very practical because we are talking about one of the most common questions in English. Tell me about yourself.
Tell me about yourself.
Yes, whether you're in a new class, a new job, meeting new friends, or joining an online English group. This question always happens.
And many English learners feel nervous. They think, what do I say? How much do I say? What if my English is not perfect?
Don't worry. Today we will show you how to answer this question in a simple, friendly, clear way.
And we will give you many ideas so you can make your own answer easily.
Okay, Jack, let's start with a warm-up. Tell me about yourself.
All right. My name is Jack. I'm from London in the UK. I live in a small apartment and I'm an English teacher.
Nice. And what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading, going for walks, and watching movies. What about you, Anna?
My name is Anna. I'm from Canada. I live in a big city. I'm a student, and my hobbies are painting and listening to music.
Perfect. See? Simple sentences. Very friendly. Very clear.
And now let's teach our listeners step by step.
The first step is easy. Your name. You can say, my name is... You can call me.
Example, my name is Anna. I'm Jack.
Simple and friendly.
Next, say where you are from. You can say, I'm from Pakistan. I'm from India. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I'm from Brazil.
You can also add a detail. I'm from Pakistan, from a city near Lahore. I'm from Turkey. I live in Istanbul.
Small details make your introduction more interesting.
Many people move for study or work, so you can say, I currently live in, I have been living in, for 3 years.
Example, I live in London now. I've been living in Dubai since 2022.
Remember, you don't always need to say your age, but if you want to, say, I'm 24 years old. I'm 30.
Or keep it general, I'm in my 20s. I'm in my 30s.
This is very important. People love to know your job or what you study. You can say, I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I work in IT. I study medicine.
Or add a detail, I'm a student. I study computer science. I'm a chef. I work in a small restaurant.
Family is optional, but it makes your answer warm and personal. Example, I have 2 sisters. I have 1 brother. I'm the oldest in my family.
Or, my mother is a teacher. My father is a shopkeeper.
Many English speakers love talking about pets. Examples, I have a dog named Rocky. I have a cat named Luna. She sleeps all day.
This makes your introduction friendly and memorable.
Now the fun part, your favorite things. You can talk about favorite food, favorite color, favorite hobby, favorite movie, favorite music.
Examples. My favorite food is pizza. I love blue. It's my favorite color. I enjoy watching comedy movies.
You can also share things you don't like. Examples, I don't like spicy food. I don't enjoy waking up early.
This helps people understand your personality.
Very important. Hobbies are an easy way to keep a conversation going. Examples. I like drawing. My hobby is playing football. I love reading adventure books. I enjoy cooking on weekends.
You can also explain why you like your hobby. I like painting because it helps me relax. I enjoy music because it makes me happy.
You can also share a small future plan. Examples. I want to travel more. I want to improve my English. I want to start my own business.
People love hearing about goals. It shows confidence.
Now let's put everything together. Here is a full example.
Example introduction. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm from Canada, but I live in London now. I'm 25 years old and I'm a student. I study art and I love painting and reading books. I have one brother. My favourite food is pasta and my favourite colour is green. I have a cat named Luna. She's very sleepy and my goal is to become a professional artist.
Example introduction. Hi, I'm Jack. I'm from the UK. I live in a small apartment in London. I'm an English teacher and I love my job. I enjoy reading, watching movies, and walking in the park. My favorite food is pizza, and my favorite color is blue. I have a friendly dog named Max. My goal is to help people learn English with confidence.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, write 2 to 5 sentences about yourself.
You can write your name, country, hobby, favorite food, anything you want.
We read all comments and we love learning about you.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode.
If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast.
Your support helps us make more lessons for you.
And remember, keep practicing your English every day.
Keep practicing your English every day. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.